Hello everybody, it's Hynex here. In today's video I will show you how to add transition between clips in a simple way. So we have these two clips and we want to transition between them. You can right click at the start of the second clip and click on Apply Default Transition. It will be something like this. If you double click on the transition, you can change the duration of it or the alignment of the transition. The example, I will select Center at Cut, so it will be moved in the middle of the cut. Also, you can adjust the duration by dragging the left or right corner of the transition. Also, let's check out some other transitions too. We go to Effects and search for Video Transitions. I will select the push transition, so I will drag to my clip. And I will center at Cut again. Also, by right-clicking on the transition, I can set it as default transition, so next time I can access it instantly. And also I can change the direction of the transition. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.